Christina Lindsay Lareda from BSN1E. The topic that I chose is how far 1,000 peso can go. Imagine holding a coin that used to promise sweet delights and full bellies. A coin that once whispered hope, but now shouts warning. 1,000 peso back then could fill our pantries and brighten our days. Today, that same sum barely lights a spark. This is the story of inflation in the Philippines, where every peso tells two tales at once. On one hand, we see the old days when 1 peso could buy 2 pieces of candy. A small treat that made our world a little sweeter. Fast forward today, and that 1 peso now buys only a single piece, leaving us with less joy for the same amount of money. The same 1,000 peso that once provided a week's worth of grocery now struggles to keep hunger at bay. A kilo of rice that costs 30 pesos now often goes for over 50 pesos. And a meal that once cost 50 pesos now demands 150 pesos or more. In this way, inflation cuts into our lives, saving us with smaller slices of what we once enjoyed. On the other hand, there's a hidden story behind these rising prices. A story of choices made at the top. When leaders do not manage our resources well, or allow corruption to take root, our money loses its power. It's like watching a trusted promise slowly fade into a distant echo. Bad decisions and poor leadership lead to loss of trust, causing our everyday goods to become more and more expensive. Another twist in our tale is the growing number of people. As our population rises, more hands reach for the same basket of food, water, and jobs. Picture a small bakery that once served 100 customers with warm, fresh bread. Now, if 200 hungry mouths shows up, the price of each loaf must rise to cover the extra demand. This extra push makes our money work harder and less effectively, stretching every peso thinner. Inflation tells us two important truths. First, that our daily costs are rising, and second, that the way we are led matters a great deal. Every decision made by every deal. Every decision made by every deal. Leaders can either ease our burden, or to add, it's just as every additional person adds both life and pressure to our limited resources. So we sit back and watch as every meal, every ride, and stand up, choose our leaders wisely, and work together to make sure that even 1,000 peso can still bring warmth, hope, and taste of happiness. Thank you.